Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the process of shipment within a warehouse. If you have ever wondered how your online orders get from warehouse to your doorstep, this video is for you. Firstly, let's start with the picking process. In our previous videos, we have in detail discussed this topic and explained how picking works in the warehouse environment and what are different methods of picking in the warehouse environment. This is where items are collected from their respective storage locations within the warehouse. Generally, this is done with the use of a handheld scanner or tablets that are used to scan the barcode of the item that needs to be picked. The scanner then directs the picker to the exact location within the warehouse, and once it has been collected, the picker scans the item again to confirm that it is the right item he picked. Once all the items for an order has been picked, they are taken to a packing station. Here the items are checked to ensure that they are correct and are in good condition. The items are then packed into a box or a bag and they are weighted to determine the shipping cost for the items. After the items has been packed and weighted, they are taken to shipping area. This is where labels are printed and applied to the box or the bag. The labels contain information such as delivery address and tracking number, which allow the customers to track their shipment as well. Finally, the packages are loaded on a shipping truck and taken to a carrier's sorting facility. At the sorting facility, the packages are sorted and loaded onto the appropriate delivery vehicles. From there, the packages are delivered to their final destination. Depending on the type of freight, you may need to sign on glass to confirm the delivery, or package could be left at your doorstep from where you collect it. And there you have it. That's the process of shipment within a warehouse, from picking to packing to shipping. Each step is carefully orchestrated to ensure that your online orders are delivered to you quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you found this video informative. And do not forget to subscribe if you like to know more about business processes.